Welcome to Avery's File Pro software. With it, filing has never been faster or easier. The software opens in the Print Wizard. The drop-down menu is used to navigate to the My Labels library, where frequently used templates are stored. Selecting from the drop-down menu also takes you to the main Samples Labels library. There you will see a large variety of pre-designed templates. The pre-designed templates can be used as is or revised to create a custom template and move to the My Labels library. Once the template is selected from either My Library or the Sample Labels library, the data grid appears alongside the selected template. The data grid is where the data will be entered or imported to. To begin the data entry process, first press the Insert key on the keyboard to open the first record. For extensive manual data entry, you may want to switch to the Data Entry or Form View mode. Also note that the Common Task panel on the left displays only options pertinent to the current working screen. The software also allows the choice to customize color at the Common Task panel on the left. You can also select Edit Colors to display the color table selector. After selecting the table, the color table editor appears, allowing you to choose a color and edit its color range. You can also edit the elements of the label by right-clicking on the element to highlight it. The Element Properties dialog box will appear, where you will be able to change things like font size, band color, move an element's position. After all data has been successfully input and any template customization has been completed, clicking the Next button moves you to the Print Options page, where you select or set the print options. Note that during print option setting, the Print Start Cell or First Label Print Position can also be determined. When you have completed all selections and options, print your label by clicking the Print button. Now let's take a look at some other features and functions. To create data sequences, begin the process by clicking on the Enter Data selection in the Print Wizard. Your first task could be to define the data sequence generation rules for each data field as illustrated. Then choose Create Records, where the quantity of records being printed is set. Here you will enter the quantity of records to be generated. Click Next, and you will see the results of the data sequence generation in the Data Grid column and Label Preview panel. You will then be able to manually enter any necessary data in the data grid as required. If you have existing database information in an Excel.csv file, you can import and merge it using the Import Data Task option on the Common Task panel. This selection displays the Import Text Wizard, where the format of the imported data can be chosen from the radio button options that are shown. As you have seen from this quick overview of features, using Avery's File Pro software is simple and easy. But anytime, clicking Help at the upper right hand on any screen will display complete, detailed step-by-step instructions on how to complete any task.